Hi guys, I'm going to show you a life purpose spread by drawing 6 cards and spreading it out. The first 4 cards separately, which identifies, which describes your purpose and how does this look day to day, how does this look at the end of your life, and how others see my life purpose. Those are the first 4 cards, and we'll take a different 3 card spread, 4 steps to realize your life purpose. And the last card, the 6th one, is how can I get the most out of this lifetime. So I'll show you how to draw a 6 card, draw for your life purpose. First card is 5 of Wands. That describes my life purpose. Second card is 6 of Wands. How does this look at my end of life is 9 of Cups. That is your wish fulfillment. How others see your life purpose is 3 of Pentacles. And the steps you need to achieve your life purpose is 7 of Wands. Show me 2 more cards for the steps I need to take for fulfilling my life purpose. How can I get the most out of this lifetime? Guys, show me one more card. Show me how can I get the most out of this lifetime. I got Ace of Swords. Now let me get into the spread. The first 2 cards we got was describing my purpose is 5 of Pentacles. It's 5 of Wands and 9 of Cups. How does this look at the end of my day? That is my ultimate wish fulfillment. 5 of Wands is a difficult card. It's a card of obstacles. It's a card of having a lot of difficulties in your day. And 9 of Cups. So while describing your life purpose, your current life purpose is going to be a little bit bothersome or difficult to achieve in the physical. 9 of Cups is how does this look day to day. It's your daily wish fulfillment. And how does this look at the end of your life is Six of Wands. It's victory. At the end of your life purpose will look as victorious to others. And how others see your life purpose is Three of Pentacles. Others see your life purpose as something that you co-create with your beloved or your partner in the physical. And these three cards are the cards I got for steps to take to realize the life purpose. One is this Queen of Wands, second is Jack of Pentacles, and Five of Cups. Queen of Wands is an excellent card because you need to take action in the physical as a queen to manifest your life purpose, to realize your life purpose, and you can get the most out of your life purpose by being in your truth, which is Ace of Swords. This is the life purpose spread I wanted to show folks on how to do a tarot spread to find out your life purpose on your own. Hi guys, I was planning to show you a 6-card life purpose spread to help you draw energy from your subconscious on what is your life purpose. The first card will describe your life purpose. The second and third cards will show you how does this look on a day-to-day basis, and how does this look at your end of life. The fourth card is how others will see the life purpose. And there are 3 cards that we will draw for the 5th card, that are the steps you need to take to achieve the life purpose, to realize your life purpose. And there's the 6th card to see how can you get the most out of the life purpose. So let us do a 6th card. It will be 7 cards totally, because first 4 cards it describes the purpose and how does this look day to day, and how does this look at the end of your life, and how others see your life purpose. So while describing your life purpose, the card I got was Ace of Pentacles. Suppose you are trying to plan a personal project or a life project or a mission work, and that is how we can describe your life purpose. Now, how does this look day to day? How does this life purpose look day to day? And how others see this? It looks day to day as 7 of Swords. Your life purpose, suppose you venture into a life purpose, it may look as 7 of Swords. That means that there will be a lot of difficulties and hurdles, roadblocks, while you try to venture out into achieving your life purpose. How does this look at the end of your life? It will look like Queen of Swords. At the end of your life purpose will look like Queen of Swords. This will be a queen who cuts others if she doesn't want something, who doesn't get into quarrels but orders things and get things done. Basically, this is a very independent queen. So at the end of your life purpose, you will be very strong and independent in your life, and you will be in a commanding position. How others see my life purpose? I am going to draw a card. That's going to be 8 of Cups. So others will see you as moving away from them when you are working on your life purpose. Now I am going to take 3 cards on what are the steps we need to take to to realize your life purpose. And show me 3 cards to help me realize my life purpose. First card I got was 4 of Cups. I need 2 more cards. Show me steps to realize my life purpose. I got 10 of Wands and Queen of Wands. So the steps you need to take to realize your life purpose are 4 of Cups, 10 of Wands and Queen of Wands. The 4 of Cups is something that you are holding on to, and 10 of Wands means that you need to complete those burdens that you have in order to move into a cycle where you can have a new beginning with your life purpose. Because the Queen of Pentacles is something who will be having everything to nurture them. She will be a loving queen. She will be having all people around her to nurture the pentacles, the money she is sitting on. But in order to achieve that, she is holding on to something with the 4 of Cups. In order to achieve the Queen of Pentacles, she has to complete her burdens, which is shown by the 10 of Wands. 10 of Wands shows that she needs to complete a cycle full of burdens. That is what she is holding on to. She basically needs to let go of what cycle she is holding on to eliminate all the burdens and enter into a new life where she will become the Queen of Wands. This is not Queen of Pentacles, this is Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is something that she needs to take action towards daily to manifest a life purpose. Queen of, I'm sorry for saying that it is Queen of Pentacles, this is Queen of Wands. Queen of Pentacles is a nurturing queen. Queen of Wands is someone who needs to take action in the physical for achieving the life purpose daily. And the last card we got was how can I get the most out of my lifetime? It's J of Wands, the J of Swords. So I think you need to be the Jack of Swords to get the most out of your lifetime.